Hello everybody, this is Dr. Kukreja Kalani and today I'm here to speak about bipolar disorder. So it's a severe mood disorder where the patient is vulnerable to two phases. Basically there's a phase of mania and there's a phase of depression, and he swings between these two moods. So that's why it's very difficult to handle such patients. So if it is a mild variety, it's fine. It can be handled with family support and counseling. But if it is a severe problem, then definitely he needs medication. Now, what is the cause of bipolar disorder? It is something to do with the genes. So it is found in the genetic code. It could be also hereditary. Secondly, it is the biological cause, that is imbalance of neurotransmitters. Thirdly, if the child has witnessed some trauma episodes during the childhood phase where he is quite confused and he is not able to process or analyze a subject, and there's a lot of suppressed feelings. So this also makes the child more vulnerable to the bipolar disorder. Now, what is the phase of mania? When we talk about mania, it's basically to do with thoughts of grandiosity. He feels he is something very important a person. He talks very loud. He talks about business. He's prone to accidents. He's also prone to substance abuse because of the high mood. He gets into wrong company and all sorts of negative things. Now, what is a low phase? So it's a phase of depression where he feels very depressed, no love for life, loses interest in work, and there are thoughts of suicide as well. Now, what is the treatment options here? Medication is essential. Then secondly, it's counseling, the CBT part, as well as family support is very important, so as to keep him away from the wrong habits. So basically, lifestyle maintenance is very important. That the sleep pattern has to be regulated, good amount of proper food at the right interval. So that's very important, and basically he needs to learn how to handle stress. Otherwise, each episode of stress can give rise to a phase of mania and depression. So this is all about bipolar disorder.